Hello, and welcome back to my channel. Roka, you wanna say hi? Say hi. I think she's looking at a bird. Well, I got something in the mail just like 2 hours ago, and I haven't opened it yet because I've been wanting to show you guys before I open it and get my first impression, but I got my first order from InsertNameHere. You guys have probably seen them on Instagram, TikTok. They're pretty trendy, pretty popular right now. It's the ponytail extensions. They also have wigs and then clip-in extensions and hot tools, things like that. They have a bunch of stuff, but I'm gonna open this. I got, I think, like 3 different ponies, a wig, and clip-in extensions. Maybe 2 or 3 ponies, I'm not sure. But I kind of went all out. I actually have a code with them. I'll share the code in the description box, so you guys, if you want to order anything from them, you can go use my code and get yourself some good stuff. Ooh. It says loading, pretty things inside. I like all the little emojis on it. That's cute packaging right there. That's cute. That's a good idea. Okay, let's go with the biggest one first. Let's open it up. What color wig do you think that I got? Real quick, before you even see the wig that I got, go comment and tell me what color wig that you think that I got. I'll wait. It says no bad hair days. Oh, welcome to the InsertNameHere fam. InsertNameHere is founded by Girl Boss duo I'm Bunny and Jordan Wynn, aka Shorten. On the basis of friendship and the love of self-expression, we want you to be, well, whoever you want to be. We believe that transforming your look should be fun and easy. I love that. Born in sunny Los Angeles, California, each of our products are the highest quality and super easy to use, designed with the latest trends in mind. From hair extensions to wigs, all of our Insta-famous ponytails, we are here to help you achieve your hashtag hair goals. This is dope. They give you a bag to store it in, which is super important because I actually have several wigs and they didn't come with bags to store them in. They came with a bunch of other goodies, but they didn't come with any bags to store them in, especially like this like satin material. It makes it so your hair doesn't get tangled, but this is the first one that I got. Oh, these are the extensions. So I got clip-in extensions and I got it's called Espresso, I believe. Yes, 22-inch clip-in extensions in Espresso, which was dark brown mixed with some blonde highlights in it because I have some blonde highlights in my hair as well. I'm just like growing it out. So that's why I have that, but I'm excited to try these clip-ins. This might be the wig. I'm not sure, but this might, oh yeah, this is the wig. So what color wig do we think? It's got a Disney princess label on it. Oh, because it's called the Ariel Wig. I got a red one. And I like this little bag too. Sealed. I'll have to get my scissors and open that in a second. But honestly, it is pretty, like, this wig is pretty like costume-y, if you will. It's gonna look a lot like Ariel with the bangs and everything, the swoopy bangs and the light curls and whatnot. There's that one. And I'm gonna open the ponies because honestly, I'm so excited for the ponies. My intro always got that song stuck in my head. Okay, so I got this one. It's a silver pony with dark roots, so it'll blend in with this dark hair. Like when I put my hair up, it'll blend in with this color and then it'll go out to silver. I'm so excited for this one. Ooh, all these have, hold on. Just gonna get my scissors real quick. Gotta cut off. Let's check it out. Let's see what it feels like. So it comes in that lunch lady net, you know? Yeah, that's literally gonna be perfect. Whoa, check it out. This is literally gonna be perfect. And it feels so silky and soft. The other wigs that I have are not as soft. They're like, whoa. The other ones that I have tangle so easily. This is like no tangles. Oh my gosh, I love it. I'm obsessed already. I just want to Rapunzel. On to the next pony. Okay, this one's like got like a crimp style to it almost, It's really like wavy. It's called the Shayla Pony in Espresso. This one's the same color as my clip-in extensions, the espresso color, the one that's like brown but also has the highlights in it. I just noticed they come with bobby pins too. Okay, this one is sick. This is gonna be legit AF. I've been trying to crimp my hair. I've crimped my hair like a few times recently, but this is definitely what I'm looking for. Like, this is absolutely beautiful and just gorgeous, I feel like. And it'll match my hair perfectly. I've never had like long ass crimped hair like this, so it's definitely gonna be different to see on myself, but I'm excited to see it for sure. I got blonde, yay, woo! You know, a little blonde moment. I do sometimes miss my blonde hair, but what I don't miss is the damage that I had. Like, I literally had so much damage when I had blonde hair. It was insane, so it's taken a long process to get that hair back. Oh yes, so I got the dark roots as well. Let me open it up. So this will blend in perfectly with my hair now. Yep, perfect. So it's gonna be a pony as well. It literally just blends perfectly, but look at her. It reminds me of like a little Ariana Grande moment. I just wanted something, because I do miss the blonde sometimes. Like, can you even picture me being blonde now? Like, damn, if I really wanted to catfish people, I could just, I could just do this. Like, yes, sweetie, this is my hair. Now's the fun part. I'm gonna try all of these on and I'll be back and show you guys little clips of each and every one and how I like them. Okay, so I put the clip-in extensions in first, and they did say on the website that it's like one, I should have showed you guys before I put it in, but it's just like one piece that you just clip in, and it was really easy to clip in, but it did say on the website that it's for medium to longer hair. So if you're just like looking for more, like for a little more volume, if you have thin hair, this would be perfect for you. Or if you had like medium length hair, this would be perfect. But my hair is really short and the cut that I have is like really straight, like just really straight. So you can easily see it through, the extensions, but you know, it'll be like tucking it a little bit. I got it because I was like, I know my hair's gonna grow out anyways, right? But the quality is amazing, absolutely amazing, like so fire. Too bad you can see my real hair, but like I'm still a pretty princess. See, like what? But yeah, it's literally like so easy to put in, so easy to take out. There she is. I'm gonna put this back in its little case and then on to the next. Okay, y'all, wait, hold up. You ready for this? Okay. You know what's really funny about this is that I dead ass tried for years to get my hair like this in high school. Like the bangs and everything. Like I said, it's supposed to be Ariel, so you got the bangs and everything, you know what I mean? But not gonna lie, it's kind of a look, like, and I just like threw it on real quick. Like I didn't do anything crazy. I don't even put it on correctly, but the wig is like great quality. Like it's not tangly, but like, yo, oh my god, do we like her? Please tell me in the comments, do we like her? Do we fuck with Ariel? Obviously. I've always wanted to be Ariel, not gonna lie. Ow! Roka. I'm gonna go scare my sister. See what she says. Let's go. Okay, let's go see what my sister says. You look so cute. Stop, don't even lie. It's not even on correctly, but like, whatever. It's an Ariel wig.
I was gonna say Nicki Minaj, I don't know why it was the first thing in my head, but...
No, it's an Ariel wig.
Dude, it looks so cute.
You look cute. Where are you going?
Back in my room.
Me too! I don't think y'all are ready for it. These ponies are no joke. I feel like a genie. I'm like 3 wishes only. No more than 3 wishes. Bitch. Can't wish for more wishes. Can't wish for money. Or can't wish for any amount of money. Oh. No, like you don't understand. I'm obsessed. That's how I feel right now. Like, woo! This one is fire too. It's like major Ariana Grande vibes, but like silvery. Woo! Woo! Can definitely have a lot of fun with these ponies. Next one. Okay, and here's the last piece out of the whole collection that I got. I love it. I'm obsessed. What's new? So cute. This one's major Ariana Grande vibes because she was always this blonde color. But like, such a nice change to have too. Like, I love my short hair, but it's such a nice change and so much fun to be able to do this type of thing, you know? But yeah, that's all I have for you guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you want to see more videos like this, I'll have more coming for you guys. You know what colors you want to see next, what color wigs. If you want to see wigs or like what color ponies or what styles, anything like that, let me know in the comments. Make sure you like this video if you liked it and subscribe if you're not subscribed already. Bye.